So Dan, what does the filter cartridge actually do?
So the filter's working very hard to remove impurities from the water for drinking purposes, so chemicals, sediment from the water.
And can you taste that?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, when the chlorine's removed, that's something that's very apparent. Some people will detect it instantly, some people take a little bit longer to register.
Yeah, I've noticed it when I've drunk out of mains tap water compared to filtered kettle water. I've definitely noticed it myself. And is it easy to do? Is it a straightforward job?
The filter change is very straightforward. So we made it easy for the end user, the customers to do this themselves. No engineers, no plumbers. It's just a little DIY job, about 5 minutes to do this.
And that's the actual filter, not the housing. So you don't replace the whole housing, just in what goes inside.
Yes, this is the filter that sits inside the housing. So you open the housing, take the old filter out and replace it, and then the housing goes back together again. So this is what's replaced.
What is it actually made from then?
So it's a high quality activated carbon in there.
Okay, and that does the filtering job that we need it to do. And it stops the limescale getting into the main tank also. So as well as improving your drinking quality, it does kind of stop the limescale getting to the tank fundamentally.
There's a scale inhibiting media in there as well as the activated carbon, and the job of the scale inhibitor is to stop limescale from forming on the element inside the tank, to protect the tank in that way.
So it's doing a couple of jobs there really, isn't it?
Two very important roles it does, yeah.
And cost-wise, is this expensive?
No.
Do you do it regularly?
It's twice a year,
Okay.
and the filters are under £30 each.
That's quite low maintenance in terms of effort from you and cost. It's not expensive to do. You do it yourself, no engineers.
Yeah.
And where would you buy them from?
So we sell them on our website. We also sell them on Amazon and eBay. So you buy them directly from us.
Okay. And you said twice a year, but how do you know when yours is ready to be replaced?
Well, we have an indicator on the tap. So there's an LED on the tap there that you can see.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Okay, so that's set to a timer unit, which triggers every 6 months. So when the LED on the tap flashes, that's an indication the filter's due for renewal. We'll also send you reminders via email, and then we can also set up a subscription service, so they just arrive automatically.
That's a three-prong attack, really. You've got the tap telling you, your email telling you, and a subscription, which you could potentially have as well.
Yeah, we try and catch the reminder. It's very important to maintain the tank to keep it working properly.
Yeah. So it's not a difficult job at all, is it really?
No, it's very simple. We made it as easy as we can.